Thanks, Brad.
Yeah, your camera is really shaky, Nathan.
I don't know what's going on there.
No, I don't either. It's crazy. Wow, gee whiz, you have scored, mate. Scored. Look at this.
Yeah.
Wow.
Camping and everything.
It's got 3 fridges, a microwave, a
Right.
screen TV.
What have you just been here the longest, or what have you?
No.
Just the nicest person, or?
No, it's not that. No.
What is it?
Just lucky, I guess. No, I've been just doing a compliance role in the office for a while, but I've worked on the highway for probably nearly 30 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah, not for Dawson's, but yeah. And I said to Mark a few weeks ago that I wouldn't mind going back and doing a bit of steering again.
Yep.
Nice, yeah.
And he said, because they've got right through the industry, there's a shortage of drivers as well.
Yeah, I know. I heard about that.
Anyway, he just said, yeah, anyway, he said, we've got a new K200 coming, the black one, you want that? And I said,
K200,
You
beauty.
just say, yes, please.
I just said, no, because you've got people here that have been here longer than me, you know.
Oh, that's nice.
And he goes, I said, just whatever, just line your ducks up, whatever you want to do, you know. Anyway, he come
Yep.
out
Yeah.
on the next week, and he just said, no, we're going to put you in that one. So,
Oh, that's so cool. This is so, well, see, that's because you are humble and nice.
Pop that window up, mate, so
Yeah, that's right, thank you.
with the aircon going.
Yeah, thank you.
You can even get strapped in here, I like that.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
So you pick up your hitchhikers and you
I don't pick up the drugs.
Good.
Actually, there's a nice new one, this one.
Beautiful, yeah.
Yeah.
I've got your books here too. I just took
that's all right, Sam.
just
Yeah,
so I
that'll
could
be right.
take a video without that in it.
Yeah, no worries. So now what would you like to do? You want to
So we want to go somewhere where there's nothing in the background. So
Okay.
no houses, no trucks, no cars, no nothing. We can get we can get all the way around it without.
How about if we go for a drive out towards the weir there and go into one of those places at Edmonton where you go down near the weir?
Yeah, if you
Get the water in the
Yeah,
back.
if that's okay. If that's okay with you.
Yeah, that's fine.
If
Okay.
you can get down there, that'd be bloody awesome.
We'll go and have a look, eh?
Okay, thank you.
Oh, you legend!
You're a legend, buddy. You beauty.
Oh, we got the right driver. That would be awesome. Be nice actually with this black truck to have that weir in the background on this day, to be honest.
Yep,
Be
exactly.
perfect.
Yep, it'd be good. I reckon. You're the nicest driver. Unreal.
Everybody's nice
Yeah.
in Dawson's.
I know.
Have you
Oh, they're a good crew, yeah, they are good
If
crew.
I ever need a job, I'm going to come and do some
Yeah, no, well,
part-time
Mark and Bart, they run the office here, and they're really good. Yeah.
Yep. No, it's good.
HR is my previous background.
Yep. Who are you with, Sam?
I work for myself now. I've got my own business, but previously
Yeah,
I
previously,
originally started at Mars
Oh, right, yeah.
or Uncle Ben's
Yep.
in HR, and then I got into employment and apprenticeships and things, like Kestra for a long time, and ATEL back in the day.
Kestrel.
Yeah.
Kestrel. Yeah, right. That's in Wodonga.
Yeah.
Yeah, down near that little site.
Yeah, on High Street.
Yeah.
They're on High Street now. I haven't worked for them for over a year now because I love doing what I love doing, which is more that career development side of things.
Yeah.
And they just wanted me to keep going and bringing in more business, which I'm very good at, but I love spending time with the kids. That was what my passion was.
Yeah.
And they wouldn't really let me, and I just ended up saying, look, I think it's time for me to do what I want to do, because it's what I love doing,
Yep.
Yep, that's what you got to do. Do what you love.
Do what you love.
That's part of the reason why I'm going going back to do a bit of driving because that's what I like.
Oh,
And
perfect.
yeah,
It's bloody hot in the back.
it's a bit warm in there.
Yeah.
Get that. Turn it. Yeah,
Alright, I'll be right. It's that big date to the lobby. I was going to say, is that because I haven't got Saturday? Why is it doing that beeping thing?
That's the blinker. The blinker.
That'd be annoying, wouldn't it?
Oh, no, you can do something.
That's just definitely a good truck. Yeah.
It's like a one-bedroom unit.
I was going to say, you don't even need a camper van. I'd just be taking this all over the state. You could go around Australia with
Yeah, well,
this.
that's pretty much what they do with work. They go everywhere. So.
Yeah. My little nephew works for Big Able. I don't know if you know Big Able.
I do know Mick Abel.
Ah,
I was talking to him in Willie's White Box Rise here about last weekend. I bumped into him.
kidding.
He's a brilliant bloke.
He's a great bloke too. Bloody
Yeah,
ripper.
I know Mick. I met Mick probably about 10 years ago, I reckon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he took a truck. I used to have a couple of my own.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mick did a few trips to Sydney for 3 months.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, he's another bloody awesome
Concreter.
guy. Yes, he's a concreter. So that's my little nephew's a concreter. And they all go away working.
Yep.
He's a terrific, brilliant boss. Absolutely
Yeah,
amazing.
no, he's a good fellow. Mick,
Good
yeah.
bloke. Really, really good bloke. And anyway, he was telling me that he pays for all the boys to get their accommodation, but he sleeps in his truck.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Legend.
No, he even took me and Sam for riding his big Kenworth. Oh, he was,
Yeah, well, he said he's got one he's thinking about selling.
oh.
Oh, that's a good one. We're ready.
Yeah.
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 Okay.
Yeah, I hadn't seen him for ages. We were at the super, I said, and he's both got a bit older.
Yeah.
Probably should have went up to the roundabout and come back down.
Yeah, it's gonna be a big load of traffic here, mate.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll just put some dinner. Is there any beers in your fridge?
Nah, not yet.
You got an air conditioner in the back here.
Yeah, there's a heater and a cool.
Perfect.
I might step go this way,
Yep. Good idea.
come to the roundabout and come back down.
Yep. Good idea.
It's not noisy enough for you, is it, Nathan?
I can't exactly
No,
whinge.
they,
No, you better not.
they're pretty quiet. those
Yeah,
ones,
yeah.
No, and the noisier the better for Nathan.
Nah, I'm not gonna whinge. I'm not gonna whinge.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, yeah.
We all like it. I prefer
You
not
like those? Sorry, I say you like those sporty mufflers, mate. Don't you?
Oh, I love them. Especially the one what was that guy's name that we went for riding that big 90, whatever it was? And it had a shop on it on it.
Yeah, that was the one with Dawson just the other day.
That's Steve.
Yeah,
mate.
Steve, yeah. Oh, that was a nice one.
He had a little window of opportunity, about 6 inches. That was what he did. And the poor bugger, it's like up to his nose. I said, how do you even see where you're going? He goes, it's not,
Oh yeah,
it's not
the
easy.
seat right down with the.
And between his window and where he's got his sun visor, there's literally like 8 inches.
Oh, right. That's a good view out of here with these
You
ones.
do, don't you?
See plenty now.
Yep. we put that on. Thank you, thank you.
Here, right?
Yeah, got it, I got it. That's better.
Nathan's saving up for a new camera at the moment,
Yeah.
so we're trying to get as much.
Yeah, try to get as much money as we can.
Good on you, mate.
Yeah, because that
So
camera.
you get. So do you?
He sells his photos.
Yeah.
Yeah, I sell them.
Most truckies would just give him like, I don't know, what did Maloney give you?
Oh, Maloney gave me 100.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just a bit of cash, and then he's got his secret stash that he puts it in.
Yeah.
That's good.
That
Yeah.
not everybody knows about, and that's all his own pocket money to save up for a new
Good on you, mate. That's good.
Yeah, I have ways.
Saver.
Yep. Yep.
Hopefully we'll take some beautiful ones today.
Yep. Well,
Yeah, well, that's the go. Get some good ones and
yep.
keep the boss. Keep the boss up.
Yeah.
Well, Sam's my boss, so which is good.
I'm the negotiator.
She's really good.
No, almost everybody would go with the just bloody awesome people anyway. And
What's that?
I said, well, it's lucky that we're dealing with awesome people anyway. And for them to throw in $100 is nothing. And then they got all these beautiful photos.
Yeah, exactly. No, it's just really good for me and it helps me out.
Just wondering if you'd be able to, if you made a connection with Trucking Life or Big Rigs or someone like that.
Yeah,
We're on all the sites. We're on all those pages.
You might be able to sell a few photos perhaps to Trucking Life or somebody like that, you know?
yeah,
We've got to get the